What's going on, YouTube? This is my first foray into anything, but I'm Forest Dweller, and this is Moose, as you're gonna see quite often. And we're building a range, so we're gonna see, hi buddy, we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna take a massive pile of wood, we're gonna put it over there, and then we're gonna put a massive pile of dirt that you can't see right inside there, and we're gonna make a pistol and hopefully a rifle range, but we're gonna see how it goes. If you want to follow along, come watch, and it should be fine. Moose, tell everyone hi. He says hi. Right now, we're having a little bit of Missouri Meerschaum orchard something rather from Sutliff, and in a Missouri Meerschaum, see, Dagner pipe. It's a great corn cob, real tasty. Let's make a range. All right, not too long, but we're switching over to a Tobacco Tactical Casa Carrillo Honduras exclusive. It's tasty, and it'll do. If anyone has any number 8s from Tobacco Tactical, hit me up. We'll make something happen. Alrighty, well, been out here hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that. Cigar's gone down, pipe's gone. Pipe is already half gone, but here we are. Here's the range. We're getting there. So, layer 1, halfway. Layer 2, 0. Absolutely nada. So we're gonna get there, but guess what? It's a process, and I'm bringing you guys along. Thanks for coming. Forest Dweller out.